If you're like me and you hate sitting in the nail salon all day, then this video is for you. I took matters into my own hands and ordered a gel kit from the TikTok shop. This gel kit is by the brand Beetles and it comes with over 50 polishes. And oh my God, y'all, it is so worth it. I spent $50 one time and guess what? I could do my nails for the rest of the year with this. So anyway, let's get into it. I started off by soaking off my already acrylic I had on my hands. This is from a previous set. So as you can see, I have on the aluminum foil. And inside of the aluminum foil is pure acetone cotton balls. So we let that sit, we soaked it off, and then we scraped off all of that gunk, all of that product, and then we filed them down. The kit does come with a nail dehydrator and a nail primer, so you can use that before you go ahead and add on your artificial nails. Now, I do want to say the most important step of any set is dehydration. Your nail has to be so ready, prepped and primed, and completely dehydrated. There needs to be no debris on your nail before you add on anything, okay? This is the most important step. So if you don't have a nail dehydrator, you can just use pure acetone like I have. Alcohol like I have here. Wipe that down, let it dry, and then go into applying your nails, into applying your nail dehydrator. This is very important, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. If this step is not done right, your whole set will lift off. It will be gone, okay? You will have wasted your time doing all of this. So please take this sure that it's dehydrated, it is clear of debris before you move on. Okay, let's move on. So let me tell you, when it comes to nail glue, I only use one nail glue, okay? I don't care. This is the only nail glue I use, and it's by Nail Lean, and I order them in bulk off of Amazon. When you order, don't order just one. Order a few, because you're gonna love this glue. I'm telling y'all, this is the best glue I have ever used, and it's not sponsored. I use my own coin, okay? So if you want your nails to last, you don't want any lifting, you don't want any wahala, no problems, use this glue. I'm telling y'all, if you use it, come back and thank me later in the comments, because this glue is that girl. So as you can see, I don't use a lot of glue. You only need a little dot, and you're gonna press that down firmly into your nail until the glue naturally spreads on its own, okay? You do not use a lot of glue. I'm gonna say it again. Do not use a lot of glue. It's not needed. It's not needed, okay? So if you see how I am pressing mine down firmly, you want to hold it for at least 30 seconds to make sure that it's nice and snug on the nail, okay? Now, if you happen to have any excess glue after you press your nail down, take a lint-free cotton swab and wipe that off. You want to make sure that it is completely wiped off, because you don't want it interfering with the Gel X process, okay? Major key. Major key. after you have gotten all of your nails on all 10 fingers, we're going to move on to the next step, which is applying the base gel coat. We're going to apply the base gel coat to all 10 fingers, of course, and then we are going to insert our entire hand into the UV gel lamp. I like to cure for 60 seconds. I know some people do for 30. Me, I just feel better with the 60 seconds, just knowing that it's completely cured for the next step, which is the actual polish, the color of your choice. So I had a little fun with this. Before I painted my nails, I actually asked my TikTok family to help me pick a color. So they picked red. And matter of fact, if y'all not following me on TikTok, what are you doing? It's lit over there. Go follow me. So yeah, the next step is to paint your nails the color of your choice. Do any design you like. I try to do a design, y'all, and y'all gonna see. By the end, I changed it because I didn't like it, okay? I didn't like it. I feel like I need another, smaller brush to really do the design that I want. And a smaller brush did come in the kit, but, yeah, I just didn't do that today. So, I added in a few little sticker decals, butterflies that I thought were so cute. I got these off of Amazon. I got one in a red and gold design that you see here. And I also have a blue and gold design that I possibly might show y'all in the next nail tutorial video. So stay tuned for that. But this is my favorite part, the decals, the little extra bells and whistles. Yes. I really appreciate you for watching the video all the way through. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, comment below and let me know. And comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you again so much for watching all the way through. It means so much to me. Mwah.